Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about the main prerequisites for Flutter development as well as how to properly set up Flutter in a MacBook. Let's look at the prerequisites that are needed for Flutter development. We can use any Windows, Linux or MacBook machine for developing Android apps, but MacBook machines are required for developing iOS applications. For Android development, we need Android Studio or Visual Studio, but for iOS, we need additional IDE, that is Xcode. In order to test Android applications, we need an Android emulator or any Android physical device. But to test iOS applications, we need an iOS simulator or iOS device. On the next slide, I will discuss how Flutter is set up on the MacBook. Let's download Xcode first. Now our Xcode setup is done. Let's download Android Studio. I have provided all download links in the description of the video. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like this video, please follow and subscribe.